Hello Thrivers and welcome to my channel. Today is a very special day for me. This is a garden I've grown now for 2 and a bit months, probably. Yeah, we're getting to 2 months and I'm ready to harvest my first cucumber. I wanted to join you in. So we're gonna reach in here. This cucumber is massive and we're gonna chop it and eat it on a salad. I'm so excited. Look at it here. Wow, it's so big. I was actually waiting for it to become a bit more rounded at the end, but it's starting to go yellow a little bit. I don't know if you can see, it's lighter, it's not as dark, and I feel like this might actually be past when I should get it. If we have a look up here, we've got another one here which is a dark green, and again, if you have a look at the end here, oh, see how it's sort of pointed still? So I'm wondering, I'm gonna try the big one that I think's probably over ready, and if it's a bit crunchy and dry, I will definitely be pulling this one off. So let's get in there and cut it up. All right, this is so exciting. Now something that I did do is I left a little bit of stem. I think, as I said, this is starting to go a little bit yellow, and I will show you a closer vision of it. But I was actually waiting to this to round out, and we'll see. We're going to cut it open. But they do say to leave a bit of stem on it if you're not using it straight away, but I'm going to be. But I think that's a great way to go. So let's get into the kitchen. So excited. So what does this mean to me right now? This is the first vegetable garden I've grown here in Bali, and organically with no chemicals, really trying to take in account of the microbial population in the soil. I've been putting some light shade, which is like a compost, worm compost liquid inside here, giving it lots of love, and so it's amazing. It grew so quickly and got so big. I did not think it was going to get as big as it did. But let's cut it open and see what's inside. Oh, this is so exciting. I'm going to be having it in a salad, so I'm going to leave that end cut. Oh, it looks a bit juicy. Oh, wow. Have it bite a bit. Let's cut a little bit. All right, let's taste some. It's moist. You can see the moisture. I don't know. There you go. Can you see it glistening? I actually think it might be perfect. Let's cut a little bit more. Oh, I should be saving those seeds. The fact that this was on the vine literally less than 10 minutes ago, the closer to picking to you eating, the higher the nutrients and goodness for you. The other thing is, all along here, I haven't had to wash this because I've known where it's grown. I'm the only one that's touched it. It's just all along here are these amazing microbes that not only keep the cucumber healthy, but they keep our gut healthy as well. But they keep our gut healthy as well. And so, you know, living supplements almost licking the outside because there's so many microbes here. I grew my first cucumber, and there's already about 7 more just on one of the vines and 3 on the other vine. So cucumbers, here we come. Let's put it in a salad. Here's a salad I pre-prepared. One day, I'm actually growing pretty much a lot of all these things to put in the salad. Cherry tomatoes, I have parsley. These haven't come from there yet. Yellow capsicum, I'm growing capsicum. Olives I'm not, I will always have to get olives. But yeah, so let's add the cucumber to this now. sorry, I must be chewing. This is the freshest cucumber I've ever eaten. Literally cut 10 minutes ago. And we've got some hummus I've pre-made. And I think a bit of chickpeas, protein with my salad. It's all amazing. That's why I ate some of that cucumber, so I wasn't just eating hummus. Let's get some cucumber with some. I'm so excited. I grew my own cucumber. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me on this very precious moment, my virgin cucumber. And there's so much happening here. I'm going to be talking about the living supplement garden coming up very soon. It's a garden that you grow that reads your body and helps grow the exact nutrients you need and substances you need to heal your body. So that will be coming up, so stay tuned. Make sure you hit subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.